Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Escape Simulator 2 issue. So let's start. For the first step, go to the search bar and type in Device Manager. Now you need to open that. This window will pop up, so go to Display Adapters, open it, and then select your graphics card, right click and tap Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers and click Close. For the next step, go to the search and then go to Settings. When this pop up, go to the left menu and select Windows Update. After that, select this button in order to install the latest updates. Just need to wait for that to finish. If you do have any failed updates, make sure to select Retry All. And if you are stuck on a loop, just go to Update History and check these two, then go to recovery. After that, select reinstall now. Now for the next step, go to the search and type in services. Select any service running and then type in W in your keyboard. Now look for Windows Update. Double click on it and make sure to change the startup type from manual to automatic. After that, make sure to select start in order to change or switch the server status from stop to running. After that, select apply and OK. Now for the next step, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Of course, if you do have an AMD graphics card, make sure to open the alternative app. After you open the NVIDIA app, go to the left menu and select settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay like this. After that, go to drivers and make sure to install the latest driver for your graphics card by selecting install button right here. Make sure to follow up with the process in order to initiate the installation. Now for the next step, go to the Windows taskbar and then select this upside arrow. From here, you want to look for your launcher that you have Escape Simulator 2 on, like Steam. Right click on it. After that, select exit Steam. You just need to wait for a couple of moments. After that, go reopen the launcher once again. Now once it opens, you need to go to the left menu and select this view option right here. After that, go to library and now go to the left menu and search for Escape Simulator 2. If you do find it, you need to select it. After that, click this gear icon appearing and click on properties. Next, make sure to type in -dx11 in the launch options command. After that, go to installed files on the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. That way, any missing or corrupted file that is responsible for the issue would be automatically corrected. You just need to wait for the process to finish. After that, you need to close everything and restart your computer by going to the Windows icon and select restart. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.